Interfix helped us by installing super washrooms around the school site that have stood the test of time.
Having your washroom fitted can be a very stressful experience. Our aim here at Interfix is to take the work off your hands and ensure the project runs as smoothly as possible.
This starts before we even agree to take on a project. Through our years of experience, we know what can and can't be done, so we won't take on a project unless we are confident we can deliver an outstanding experience.
One of the best things about working with Interfix is they are completely comfortable working on their own and don't need to take up my time or anyone else's time, frankly, the caretakers or any school staff.
We know that your job doesn't revolve around washrooms, but ours does. We will take the project off your hands and you only need to check in when you feel it's necessary, meaning you can get on with the more important tasks.
Add to this, our entire team is DBS enhanced checked, giving you more peace of mind.
If the job weren't completed on time, there would be disruptions around the school. We would have to re-room classes, and it's just generally much more disruptive.
Every company says they finish on time and on budget, but this is never more important than in a school environment. If our work isn't finished, then you can't open the school.
As we focus on washrooms and only washrooms, we understand a lot of the common pitfalls, such as the materials used for cubicles and panels. We use solid grade material, which far outlasts chipboard and is actually only marginally more expensive. When it comes to the vinyl flooring, we lay this after the framework has been installed. This ensures that the vinyl protects the framework and preserves the life of the washroom.
Our specialism allows us to tackle problems before they arise, meaning you can be safe in the knowledge that your school will open on time.
Well, the fact that Interfix's earlier jobs around the school are still looking as good as they did at the start says something about the quality of the materials that Interfix use.
Being in a school environment means that your washrooms will be subject to more wear and tear than most. That's why we use materials, as mentioned before, and amazing product innovations like sensor equipment, which results in a contactless experience. This means that your washrooms will last longer and cost you less on repairs and maintenance.
Working with Interfix is amazing because they will deliver a high quality product on time and within the price originally quoted.
We pride ourselves on being a forward-thinking company. As cultural norms change, we adapt and add new, exciting products to our range. A good example of this is behind-the-mirror sensor equipment, keeping taps and dispensers out of the way, making cleaning easier.
I would definitely recommend Interfix because I doubt there are other contractors out there that will do the job quite as well as them.
Thanks for watching. We look forward to learning more about your project and guiding you on how we can help. In the meantime, if you've got any questions, please get in touch.